Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 25th of February, 2026. In today's top renewable energy news, Honduras has extended by 3 months the deadline for submitting bids in its 1.5 gigawatts international power tender. It is one of the most significant capacity procurement processes in its recent history. A second amendment to the tender documents will be published in March 2026. The new submission deadline is now set for June. The decision reflects the need to recalibrate technical and contractual conditions during a period of institutional transition in the energy sector. Prices for wind and solar power purchase agreements in North America each rose nearly 9% in 2025 over the previous year. Some markets have seen prices increase much faster than others. Wind power purchase agreements in ERCOT territory rose 19% year over year. Meanwhile, MISO and SPP saw wind prices decline during the fourth quarter of 2025. In encouraging news, more than 75% of the projects expected to achieve commercial operation before 2029 are expected to retain access to tax credits thanks to safe harbors prior to the change in tax rules last year. Earlier this month, the National Assembly in South Korea passed a bill that loosened safety regulations. The key provision relaxed the setback distance rules, which previously required wind and solar facilities to be located at least a certain distance from homes and roads. This opened the door for renewable energy facilities to be built right next to residential areas and roads. They are aiming to meet the government's goal of supplying 100 gigawatts of renewable energy by 2030. The Estonian Reform Party wants to announce a new wind farm auction. However, a coalition partner leader has questions about whether building new wind farms without energy storage would lower prices for consumers. She indicated in a recent speech that prices are high during peak periods when the weather is very cold. If the wind is not blowing at that moment, then the question is whether additional wind capacity on its own would actually bring prices down. Hungary currently operates approximately 330 megawatts of wind capacity. The state had previously made the construction of new wind farms impossible through administrative restrictions. In 2024, the government authorized a further 695 megawatts of new wind power capacity. Construction of the connecting grid infrastructure is scheduled to begin in late 2026. The first turbine tower is expected to be erected in 2028. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.